Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hi viewers, today we will discuss Elisab, a beautiful community in Arabian Ranges 3.
perfect, perfect, perfect.
Viewers, few of the points about Elisab. It is off-plan and it has only 129 units, only 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom. The 4 bedroom built up area starting from 4128 and plot 4817. For 5 bedroom built up area 4987 and plot 6531. These are the starting plot and built up area. And for 4 bedroom price is 4.65 million and for 5 bedroom 5.75 million. It is almost 4 years payment plan. The handover date is June 2025 and it is 70-30, 70% during construction, 30% on handover. There is no post handover in Elisab. Per square feet amount is 1139 and it is on the payment plan as per my calculation, so which is okay. We are only taking expression of interest 300,000, like you can say in booking in the starting, because the launch date is very soon. So as soon as it launched, so then it will be like 10%, 12% will be the booking amount of the total value of the property. And it service charges in complete Dubai almost 3 to 5 AED per square feet, and it is G+. Viewers, the master plan of Arabian Ranges 3 and Elisab is here. And here we have Kaya 1, Kaya 2, Blaze, Sun, Joy, Spring and Ruba. I will also show you the construction update of these communities because it's already constructed. So I will show you. And so Elisab is directly on a central park. Here we have a central park of Arabian Ranges 3. So it's a wonderful community. The plan of Elisab, and here we have 5 types. In 4 bedroom we have 3 types, type A, B and C. And in 5 bedroom we have 2 types, type A and type B. And here we have, so 4 bedroom type A, we have these units. These units are type A. Then we have 4 bedroom type B, these units are type B. Then we have type C, these all are type C. And then we have 5 bedroom type A. So these are type A, and these are the corner units. This corner unit, these are type B. So 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom, and this is directly on the central park of Arabian Ranges 3. Floor plan, 4 bedroom plus roof launch, and here we have 4 bedroom type A. I will show you type A briefly because type C, B and C are also equal to type A. So here we have ground floor, first floor, second floor, carport, total built up area, and also this is a roof terrace. And here we have it's G+2. So we have living, dining, open to sky area, kitchen, maid room, powder room, bathroom, and 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 carports. Okay, and here we have master bedroom, family room here, and family room 2 on the top floor, on the second floor also. So we have 2 family rooms, okay, and bedroom number 3 and 4. So we have 4 bedrooms. Here we have bedroom 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have 2 family rooms on the top floor and also. So this is type A, and also they have mentioned in the master plan where exactly the type A will be in the master plan. Then we have type B, which is almost similar, and we have type C, which is almost similar. A, B and C are almost similar. And then we have 5 bedroom plus roof lounge, and here we have 5 bedroom type A, and we have ground floor, first, second, and we have carports and total built up area. And here 5 bedroom, we have 5 bedroom is also stunning. It's a beautiful villas. And here we have dining, living and family room number 1, family room number 2 on the top floor. Then we have a master bedroom. We have bedroom number, this bedroom and also downstairs. So 1 bedroom in the ground floor, then second, third, fourth, and this is 5th bedroom. And also we have a family room here, family living. So it's a beautiful villas. And then we have here we have types B. We have 2 types, type A and type B in 5 bedroom, and also they have shown in the master plan where exactly it will be. Now we will check in Google Map the Arabian Ranges 3. So Arabian Ranges 3 is exactly situated here, and as per construction update we have Sun, the structure is complete, Joy structure complete, Spring also complete, and with Ruba we have June in this side, and we have Elisab. So this area is Elisab. This area we have Elisab, okay. And so Sun structure, Joy and Ruba, Spring and Ruba, and these are under construction. I've been there, I saw the area, and also I have another video of complete area 3. So in that video I went there, I have shown the place, so you can have an easy idea. And now if we check the surrounding, the other area, here we have a beautiful community of Dubai properties which is called Villa Nova, and the villa also of Dubai properties, Falcon City. We have Al Barari, Arabian Ranges 1, Arabian Ranges 2. This area is Arabian Ranges 3. Here we have Serena, Sustainable City, Modern Community, Damak Hills, Lagoons Project and Rimram. And also Motor City, and here is also another project that is called Motor City Hills. Only 4 bedrooms are available there, and it is 1% payment every month. It's also one of the beautiful project. So it's a very nice community. We have 2 routes, this one and this one. It means very connect of expression of interest. If you are interested, 300k is the expression of interest. Like you can say a booking amount, because the exact amount will be delivered on launch date, and it's coming very soon. So if you are interested, 300k, we will fill this form. As you can see, name, passport number, license, everything. We will just fill this form and we will sign it with 300k check as expression of interest for any villa you like. So this is the form, and you will sign it, and I will book a property for you. So viewers, this is all about Elisab. It's a wonderful community. If you are interested, I will give my number in the description. You can contact me. And I am creating another video in which I will compare Kaya June, Arabian Ranches 3 and Elisab. So 3 of the community, the major community of Arabian Ranches 3 I will compare. So the units are available in Kaya, in June, in Elisab. So if you are interested, you can have a look on the comparison. You can choose a better property for you as per your budget. So this is all about Elisab. Thank you so much.